Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create videos for YouTube, for TikTok, for Facebook Reels using ChatGPT and Canva. Now without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to create videos for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, or for YouTube Shorts, for Facebook Shorts, you can what I actually mean is if you want to create something like this, like a riddle something or a real video, then you are in the right place. So first, let's generate some riddles for our video. So what I usually do is I go to ChatGPT, and here is where I will get my riddles. So for now, let's send a message to ChatGPT, or let's send a command for ChatGPT that says, give me 10 riddles and answers inside a table, and at the end of every question, add a confused emoji, and at the end of every answer, add a possible emoji. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna click on generate right here, and now as you can see, here are 10 riddles inside a table. So let's wait for it to generate. So as you can see, there are a lot of riddles or random riddles that ChatGPT has generated for us to use in our video. So let's wait for it to generate. So this may depend on how many riddles or how many texts you want to generate from ChatGPT. And there you have it. I already have 10. And yes, I already have 10. And next, let's go to Canva. Now just go into canva.com and of course log into your account. And what I normally use is I go to videos right here. And once I go to video, as you can see, there are a lot of templates to where you want to post your video. So you have a video for YouTube that is around 1920 and 1080 pixels. You have mobile video, you have Facebook video, you have Instagram Reels, and TikTok video. So we don't want to use any of this because this is very specific. Now you want to go to the mobile video right here, and the mobile video template or the mobile video form, you can actually add this to any sorts of social media platform using your mobile. So as you can see right here, I am already at my canvas. So this is where I will be working. Now first, all you want to do is I normally do go to elements right here, and I'm gonna search under elements a moving background. So I'm just gonna go to videos to filter it, and now you want to select a video background for your video. So let's choose this one, and I'm just gonna drag on that in the screen to fit like that. And now you want to, if you want to edit the timing, or if you want to edit the time of the video, just go to playback right here, and of course if you go to the left right here, as you can see down below here, the video got longer. If you swipe or go to the right, the video gets shorter. So for now, let's set this video to around 13 seconds. So I think this is perfect. Now once I have done that, I'm gonna add an overlay to my video. So what I normally do is I'm gonna press on R right there to add an overlay right here, and I'm gonna change this to, let's say, a black background over. And don't worry, we will be editing this. So as you can see, once I have generated this little overlay, I'm just gonna drag on this to easily fit inside my canvas. So I'm just gonna drag on that, and once I have dragged on that, don't worry, that won't be the background of the video. I'm gonna click on transparency right here, and I'm gonna adjust the transparency to around, maybe let's say 30, or let's say 25, right about there. So once I have done that, let's say I want to add some text. Now if you want to add some text, just go to the text icon right here and click on add a heading. So once you've done that, add a heading option or add a heading text will pop up. And so I'm just gonna drag on this real quick up above, and I'm gonna say, let's say, riddles and answers. So riddles and answers. So I think that's good. So if you want to change this font style, you can actually go to the font style options right here, or drop down menu, and just select any font style that you want. And as you can see right there, and if you want to add some effects to your font, just click on effects right here. Let's say maybe a shadow, and I want to change this color. I'm just gonna go to this text color right here. Let's change it to white right about there, and as you can see, there is a shadow on my text right here. And if you want to or add some more shadow effects to it, just click on effects again, and under here you can play with this. As you can see, the offset gives you a lot more shadows, and the direction basically means the direction of the shadow you want to go. And next is the blur, how much blurredness you want for your shadow, as you can see right there. Of course, the transparency. So what I normally do is I want to make this transparency at full to give it a shadow effect to it, like that. So once I have done that, let's now go to ChatGPT and let's copy the first riddle. So as you can see right here, I have copied this first riddle right here. Click on copy, and now you want to add a text box to your video where you can add the copied riddle. So I'm just gonna go to add a text box right here, and just simply paste your riddle. So as you can see right about there. And if you want to change the font, just basically go to font style right here and change the font of your choice. You can also change the size or the color or some effects. You can add some effects. So let's add an effect to it, maybe an outline right here. And if you want to change the font color so that the outline will be visible, just go to this font color and let's set this font color to white right about there. And if you want to change the color of the outline, just click on effects again, and as you can see right here, this is the color. You can change the font outline color right here, so just click on black, and there you have it. As you can see, there is a font outline. So let's say let's edit the thickness of the font outline right about there. As you can see right there, the font outline is now thicker. And now we are going to the next part of this video. We will add the answers. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna go back to ChatGPT and just copy this answer portion right here, and of course add a text box again, and of course just paste your answer right about there. So I'm just gonna drag on this real quick right about there, and of course change it to white so that we will have a uniform color of text right here. And now if you want to add some effects to it, again just go to effects, and this time we will choose this effect or style right here, that is background. If you want to change the background, all you have to do is go to this color right here, and of course change the background to whatever color you want. So let's change the background to, I think light gray will be better right here, or let's choose a gray, and that's about it. And now if we are through with it, once I played it, as you can see, it is just very simple. And if you want to add some, if you want to add some animations to, every text, so all you have to do is click on the text box right here and click on animate. So make sure to click on animate, and then there you have it. You have a lot of animations to choose from, some text animations to choose from. So just go to rise right here. You can also choose pan, some fade, some pop, some wipe, some breathe right here, and it's all up to you. So for now, let's just keep it simple. I'm just gonna add a rise animation, or a pan animation rather. And now click on both right here to make sure that your animations will take place on entry and on exit. So once you click on enter only, the animation only takes place once the video is started. And if you only choose on exit, the animation will only take place once the video is about to end. Now make sure to click on both right here, and of course you can add, or you can edit the speed right here if you want to make sure that it is a little bit slower so that it will be readable to the viewers. Just put the speed right about there. And of course, that's about it. And next, go to the second text box right here to add its animation. Now, what I normally do is I make my animations uniform. So if I choose the pan right here, I will make my next text box or next text pan. So again, I'm going to click on both right here, and the speed, let's say, should be around right here. I want it a little bit faster. So once you have done that, go to this section right here, and of course click on, so this will be the answer. So I want it to pop up real quick, so let's just choose rise right here. I think that is good. And of course click on both, and of course the speed, it's all up to you. So I'm just gonna click on like that. So as you can see right here, once I played this, as you can see, it doesn't give a surprising or a thrilling effect. So what I want to achieve so far is, once this video, or once the question will pop out, I will give time for the answer to pop up. So what I normally do right now is just go to this three dotted lines. So click on a text box and go to this three dot lines, that is more, and click on show timing. So as you can see, this is the timeline you want to have. So if I click on this play icon right here, as you can see, the video or the question, the answer is popped up real quick. So if you want to change that, and if you want to give a little bit of thrilling effect to your video, if you want to give the viewer to guess a little more time, just edit this bar right here to about right there. So as you can see, once I play this, and there you have it, the answer will just pop out right about here. And then if you want to add more effects to it, just click on this again. So if you want to, if you want to delete this, or if you want this question to remove once the answer has popped out, all you have to do is just to drag this one right here, right about there. So right about here, the question pops up. So I think let's drag this one right about here. I think that's good. So once I play that video, so as you can see, the question will be erased and the answer has popped out. So if you want this answer to be in the center, just drag on that right about here. And I think that's about it. So let's play the video once again. So as you can see, there is no answer yet. So once it gets to here, there you have it. The answer has already popped up. So now if you want to do this to all kinds of riddles, so all you have to do is go to bulk create right here. So I'll explain to you how did I get the bulk create. First, you want to go to apps right here and search on bulk create. And as you can see there, I have no bulk create options right here because I already have added the bulk create application on my Canva. So once you have done that, just click on bulk create right here and enter data manually. And make sure to clear the table first. And now once you have done that, just go back to the ChatGPT and of course copy everything from the riddle text right here. Make sure to add this one, and now just copy everything. Just right click and copy and go back to the Canva and make sure to paste it on the T section right here. There you have it. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna click on done. And next, all you want to do is to connect data to your elements. So what this means is you want to apply the riddle and the answer to every video or to every riddles that we have created so far. So first, I'm just gonna go to this question right here. I'm just gonna go to these three dotted, and go to connect data and make sure this is the riddle. And now once you have done that, just go to the answer portion. Again, click on this more section right here, these three dots, and go to connect data, and of course this time click on answer. So as you can see, once I have done that, I'm just going to click on continue and generate 10 pages. So there you have it. I have already created 10 riddles using the ChatGPT, and let's see if we have done it so far from every riddle that we have generated under ChatGPT. So there you have it, and let's go to another video so far. So don't worry if under the view right here it is overlapping, but when we go to the video it is not overlapping. So as you can see right there, and there you have it. And next is right here. So make sure to bulk create and of course do the enter data manually. Just paste all your data right here and make sure to go to these three dotted lines and of course link all your riddles and your answers, and to avoid some overlaying or some overlapping in your video. So once you have done that, just click on share right here and click on download, and make sure to click all pages and click on download right here and just select the folder you want to download. So I think this takes a little bit of time because it has a lot of elements and the video is around 2 minutes. So once you have done that, just make sure to save it real quick, and now you can post it to your social media, to your TikTok, to your Facebook, to your YouTube Reels, to your Instagram Reels, and it's up to you where you want to post it. So I think that's it for this video, and if you have some questions, make sure to comment down below and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. And so that's it for this video, and with that being said, if you like this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!